Hey friends, if you encounter the error ping transmit failed general failure error in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to flush the corrupt DNS cache. So how would you do that? Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command ipconfig space forward slash flush DNS and hit enter. It will read successfully flush the DNS resolver cache and that will solve your problem. The next one is to run the network adapter troubleshooter. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, select troubleshoot in the right pane, select other troubleshooters and then click on run corresponding to the network adapter troubleshooter. First of all, it will check the status of the internet connection and then suggest what to do next accordingly. Now, here's one more solution I'll suggest, and this is network reset. So, here's what network reset does: it will reset TCP IP, WinSock, flush DNS, everything. It will change it to the static IP and everything. So, it is a one shot solution for most of the network problems. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side, select advanced network settings, select network reset, click on reset now and finally click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.